Hi everyone, I'm Sandra Lee. I have some ideas that are gonna make you the hostess with the mostest this holiday. And it all starts off with the most delicious hot chocolate ever. And I'm gonna show you how to make that 3 different unique ways. Now, a lot of people always ask me, where did you get that hot chocolate recipe from? And I can tell you, Paris. I met a chef and he had the most amazing hot chocolate I've ever had in my entire life. Let's start off with our first of 3 recipes. Hot on the stovetop. You're gonna turn on your stovetop. The first thing you wanna do is you wanna add heavy whipping cream. Once this heats up, we're gonna add a little bit of sugar and cocoa powder. This is just 1/4 cup. It does call for vanilla. Where it says 1, I always put in 2. Come on in here and give this a stir. You wanna start combining all of this together as it heats up. 1 cup of dark chocolate chips. If you want it really dark and wonderful, put in a little more. You can also do a combination of chips. Continually whisking this is one of the keys to get a velvety outcome in your hot chocolate. Look at this. Yum. How decadent and delicious does that look? Put in marshmallows if you want. I even found these cute things in the grocery store that are marshmallows made to look like little snowmen. I always like to put a gift tag or name tag on them with my guest's name. I think that that's a little bit more special. That is a winter wonderland in a glass. And I'll give you a little secret. Let's talk about dessert. All you have to do is put this into the refrigerator in little ramekins overnight, and it will set up and be pudding the next day. It's very simple to put a place card just like we did on the mug on the dessert, and then you know who's supposed to be sitting at that seat. You could even put in there a chocolate chip cookie if you wanted to. That is a sweet, sweet dessert. Let's talk about one more thing that you can make with this hot chocolate. It is called frozen hot chocolate. It's all sorts of wonderful in a glass. All you need is your blender full of ice. Just place the hot chocolate. You want to bring it to room temperature or cool it down a little bit before you put it over ice. Into a glass it's going to go. Thick and delicious. So if you're not going to put on a name tag, get a multi-pack of straws. You will always have something that everybody can identify which one is theirs. That is just as beautiful as the hot chocolate. Holiday hosting is always easy when you are using simple store-bought ingredients. And I promise you and yours are going to love this recipe. Happy holidays. Mwah.